To display your Google Photos on an Aura frame, you need to establish a connection between your Google account and the Aura app. This process involves several key steps. The first step is to open the Aura app on your mobile device. Within the app, you'll find an option to connect your Google Photos account, which will prompt you to sign in with Google. Once you sign in, you'll grant the Aura app permission to access your Google Photos. This allows the app to view your photo albums and sync them with your frame. Aura works with Google to maintain the auto add feature, which automatically syncs entire albums with your frame. When you add new photos to a synced album, they automatically appear on your Aura frame. If auto sync is unavailable, you can manually upload photos up to 50 megapixels using either the Aura mobile app or the Aura web uploader from your computer. Important to note, deleting photos from a synced Google Photos album will also remove them from your Aura frame. However, for individually uploaded photos, you must use the Remove option within the Aura app. First, ensure your Aura frame maintains a stable Wi-Fi connection. Without internet access, your frame cannot sync with Google Photos or receive important updates. Some Google Photos albums have limitations. The Favorites album may not support auto-sync functionality. If you experience syncing issues, check your Google account permissions in the Aura app settings. Aura frames include advanced AI features that enhance your photo viewing experience. These include automatic cropping to optimize image display and intelligent slideshow curation that selects the best photos. Important considerations. Aura frames depend on cloud services for functionality. While they offer unlimited photo storage, their operation relies on the company's continued service. Keep this in mind for long-term use. If you're gifting an Aura frame, use the Gift Setup feature to preload photos and a personalized message. This creates a ready-to-use experience for the recipient right out of the box.